Myself Chirag Patel, Applied Mechanics Department from KD Polytechnic, Patan. Here the session topic is shear force and bending moment diagrams for a beam. My objective is first to define the beam and its importance and different types of supports, loads and beam. Next is the determine reaction, shear force and bending moments in a beam, and overall objective is the draw shear force and bending moment diagram for a beam. Next the content is, first of all we all know about the building. What is the building?
It's made of different types of components.
Different types of components. Just like there are the only components wooden, electrical, there is a certain types of decorative. But just like our human beings, our structure is made of the so much of ribs. हड्डियों से बना है हमारा स्ट्रक्चर, कंकाल है. और उसके ऊपर जो हमने ये पहना है कपड़े, ये सारे पार्ट्स इसको सजाने के लिए. तो अगर कंकाल ही नहीं होगा तो जो हम पे लोड आ रहा है वो ट्रांसफर ही नहीं हो पाएगा. जस्ट लाइक जैसे बिल्डिंग है हमारी, बिल्डिंग के अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स हैं, डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज द ग्राउंड लेवल, देन there is a footing below the ground level which are not shown in this figure, but this is a column, then beam, and इसके ऊपर slab होगा और this type of beam cantilever beam. तो ultimately the function of beam क्या है? जैसे हम यहाँ घूम रहे हैं तो हमारा लोड लग रहा है, फर्नीचर का लोड है, ये ट्रांसफर हो रहा है फ्लोर पे. फ्लोर मीन स्लैब पे. स्लैब इस लोड को ट्रांसफर करेगा बीम पे, और बीम का काम क्या है? वो ट्रांसफर करेगा उसको कॉलम पे, और कॉलम से जाते हुए ये फुटिंग और ग्राउंड में चला जाएगा. Next, there are the different components in 3D view. These are the footings which have more base area. This is column, beam, and cantilever portion. Overhang cantilevers means if there is a beam, this is support. Assume that is a beam which is supported here, and again this is supported here. But if there is a portion outside the support, this will, if the load is applied here, then it will different. This portion is overhang portion and this portion is simply supported. All of know this shown in this figure. This portion is simply supported and this is overhang. Next the train is going on a bridge. This bridge is also called a beam. This type of girder, plate girder or gantry girder, and it is simply supported. Next, just like from the definition of beam which having long when compared with its lateral dimension and subjected mainly if the axis of the beam is just like that, if load is applied normal to this axis, this is called beam. Generally loads are applied transfer to the axis. B and D are the cross sectional dimension which is subjected to different types of loads, UDL, concentrated load, and this the distance between two support is called span. Types of beam: simply supported beam. Everyone know about the equilibrium condition?
Yes.
What are the different equilibrium condition of a body?
There are three conditions. Summation of horizontal force is equal to 0. That is summation of H equal to 0.
This is x axis and y axis. तो टोटल समीशन ऑफ x हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में जो फोर्स लग रहा है उसका समीशन 0 होना चाहिए, तभी बॉडी इसकी मूल अवस्था में है. समीशन ऑफ y इक्वल टू 0 and next is summation of m equal to 0. About any point the moment we will take, then summation m equal to 0. Everyone know about the moment. What is moment?
Force into perpendicular.
Force into perpendicular distance. Just like we have our hand and we take a bucket full of water, then what happen? If we take bucket, then there is a stress. This is called force into moment. This distance force into moment.
Perpendicular.
There are the different types of overhanging, simply supported. Continuous beam means there is more than two support which are continuous. Fixed beam, fixed means simply supported beam. If we place a beam here, what will happen? If there is a support and beam is here, if any horizontal force is applied, then it will move. It can't resist the horizontal movement. Simply supported beam having only a vertical reaction V. Next slide. Vertical reaction V having simply supported roller support, just like roller. Roller, it can move. Shown in figure. This is a body, this is a column, and this is, if our support is roller, it can move easily. Next is hinge support. And you can say this. What is this?
Hinge.
Hinge. Hinge means generally it can provide at the door panel load cannot be come into horizontal side, not it got down into the vertical side, but it can rotate. Hence the hinge support having two reactions. It can vertically resist and horizontally resist, but it can't stop the rotation. And fixed supports means everyone is fixed. Sometimes bolt is used to fix the connection. Then it can't be rotated, it can't be moved, and it can't be horizontally moved. Next, types of load. Suppose that is a table and a man standing having 100 kg weight and standing middle of the table. What type of load? This is type of point load. If he is lay down or sleep over the table, this type of load is called uniformly distributed. A number of person having weight 50 kg, 60 kg, 70, 80, 90 in a sequence form, what type of load? Uniformly varying load. If this type of loads are coming on a structure, then what will happen? Generally, beam having, suppose this is a beam and it is simply supported at here, and suppose this is acted upon by point load, then it will deflect, otherwise it will bend. For an example, this is a beam and load is applied, then it will be bent. But suppose this span is not as much as long, then what will happen? If the load is applied here, this is our section, then this load is gone upside, and if the load is acting here, then at this section some portion is go up and some portion is go down. This type of failure is shear failure. Shear means just like load is acting here and our support is here, then it will go down and it will up. This will called shear failure. Shear force and bending moment. Bending moments means if we take a section at here, what happened? This is the distance x. First reaction RA, then RA into x, which will provide the clockwise moment. RA into x, which is clockwise moment, and if the load is here W, then this will create a, if this distance is overall x and this is 1 meter, then this load create the anti-clockwise movement. RA into x minus W into 1. This is the moment from this side. As well as from this side of the section, there is anti-clockwise moment if this is a point A and this is point B. So RB into, if the total length is L, then RB into L minus x. Such type of bending moment is positive bending moment. If the section having left side clockwise and right side anti-clockwise. Next, this type of example, shear force means when our section x equal to 1 meter, then what will happen? This will up and this will down, 10 minus 4, 6, and this type of failure happens. Next, bending. If the bending, our beam is simply supported, bending is just like this, then this moment is called sagging moment. Convexity at the bottom and at the top there is the concavity. Next, if the our support is overhanging type. Overhanging means if we fix the support at here, and apply the load this direction, that it will shape of convexity at the top and bottom it have concavity. Next, shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. The variation of the bending moment and shear force along the span of beam is called shear force and bending moment diagram. First, if the load is point load, then variation will be just like this. If the load is UDF, the variation will be like triangle form. And other bending moment में इसके लिए हमारे पास आ जाएगा रेक्टेंगुलर शेप और इसके लिए पैराबोला शेप. Next, in this slide we say that if the body is subjected to so many forces, then it will create the bending moment and section shear force at different section. And we also define the, at the end of this session, this is the problem example to solve. And next. Finally, conclusion: different components of a building and beams and importance of beams, what are the support types of beam, and how to draw shear force and bending moment diagram to beam. Thank you.
Fill in, sir.